Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Google Assistant off on a Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the white circle icon at the bottom left of the screen. In the app menu, open Settings. Select Search and Assistant. Where it says Google Assistant, turn the toggle to off. Google Assistant is now disabled on your Chromebook. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.